Hey everybody, I hope you're all fine in your flats, your houses. Um, Today I would like to show you something I found online that I found really interesting. It's how to create a virtual classroom with Google Slides and using also a Bitmoji avatar. So first of all, I recorded this video using Screencast-O-Matic. I think it's really good because you can either record your screen and your face, or just your face talking it. And I thought it was really uh, easy to use, user friendly. So that's it. So if you go on Google Slides, this is what I found online this morning. Um, so I found this on a Facebook group for teachers. My computer is a bit slow. So these are templates of virtual classrooms to use. So there are, I think, 150 slides of different classroom settings that you could use. So here, all right. So you have many settings. For example, this one. So you have the Bitmoji here, your avatar. I'm going to explain to you how to create that, to insert that in your slide in a minute. And, you know, a background, some objects. You can write here, for example, learning intentions, uh, theme of the lesson of the day, things like that. I think it's really nice because it gives, uh, a sort of classroom setting, even if it's online. Um, and I've noticed that students love Snapchat to the point that they use it in class sometimes. So yeah, the Bitmoji, this avatar is used a lot on Snapchat. I don't know if you have Snapchat, this app to talk with your friends, send pictures of yourself, chat, you know. So I think it could be a good idea to use that to make students feel, welcome. So you have many templates. I can send the link to you and you can choose the ones you prefer. So I chose some of the templates that relate to French, which is my subject. So I'm sorry, my computer is so slow. All right. So I found a really interesting one that a teacher created. I think her name is Mrs. Grand, Nina Grand. So I found her publication on Facebook. So this is her master copy, La Boulangerie, and I thought it was so creative and so cute. So what she did is she put the background and integrated many objects, but also a song. So if we read the presentation, right, should be music playing. So here you have pastries, bread, a view of the Eiffel Tower, and different menus. She explains that she uses the menus to. Oh, here's the music, alright. So you can pause the music here. Edith Piaf. So you have three menus, and she explains that she uses them to differentiate tasks. So if you want to integrate a task, I'm going to explain to you how to create a hyperlink in a second. So you click on it and you go to a different task. So 3 euros, 5 euros, 9 euros. All right. So here, for example, she created an hyperlink. So if you click on the baguette, it takes you to a recipe to make bread, for example. in French. All right. If you click on that, it takes you to Google Earth and a view of the Eiffel Tower. All right. So I'm not going to wait for it to load. So you understand you can put an hyperlink on every object you want. All right. So what I did is I used her master copy. I changed the avatar. I used mine to make it more personal. The bakery, la boulangerie. All right. So this is me. I used the extension for Chrome, Bitmoji. And I changed my name, Mademoiselle Ben Laucine. So here you have the stickers. If you want to look for an emoji who's, I don't know, eating, you type eating, or manger. So you have to be a bit, explore, because there are so many stickers actually that you could use. So I found the exact same one this other teacher used. So what you do is you just slide the sticker onto your presentation. All right. And then you can position it where you want. So I myself tried to use an hyperlink. So for example, you see that cat. If you click on the cat, you have this YouTube song that I integrated. So what you do to put an, insert something. So you click on the object. Here I chose the cat. Insert, insertion, link, lien. And then you can copy paste anything you want. You can also create your own lessons on YouTube, copy paste your YouTube channel, the video you're using. I think it's a really nice layout for students who are at home for online learning, because they can actually explore the picture and click on the activity they want to do. It's differentiated, it's visually pleasing, and yeah, I think it's just really cute and fun to create. So I decided that I wanted to create my own as well. So let's see. I found this blog post that explains how to create your own virtual classroom. It doesn't have to be a classroom. It could also be, a scene, you know, your avatar in the nature, if you want to talk about nature vocabulary. I don't know. I was thinking we could try now to do a scene at the supermarket or at the shop. So I followed these instructions. I can send it to you. And it explains how you can create your background for the classroom and also use pictures to put them in your presentation. So what I did is first finding an image on Google Image that I want to use to put in my virtual classroom. So I found this clothing rack. I thought it could be a nice image to insert a link and learn the clothes name. Um, what you can do also is put a link towards a quiz, a vocabulary quiz with Memrise, Quizlet. Yeah, the possibilities are endless. So what I did, I saved that picture. I used the website Remove BG, and I got this picture with no background. So this removes the background. So then you can save the picture. All right, so we have it here. let's see here, new diapo. So we want this to be at the commercial center. All right, let's say brick wall, white. All right, let's say this is the commercial center background. You copy paste. All right. So this is my background. Oops. So the dimensions are not the best, but you understand the idea. All right, we have the layout of my commercial center. Now we can insert my Bitmoji. I'm gonna write shopping. So what is nice is that my Snapchat is in French, so I can find Bitmoji with French writings that I can incorporate to my lessons. All right. So no, I don't like these ones. Let's see, clothes. Nah. Acheter. Ah, here is perfect. This one is perfect. All right. Yay. All right. Now we need the clothes rack. So I already created it. I can't wait to change my computer. It's so slow. All right. Yeah, it's actually really fun to create. And yeah, you have all the time uh, to add details, or, I mean, you know, if you want during this lockdown. All right, I don't think the image wants to open. What we're gonna do is that I'm going to copy paste from here. Be quicker. All right, here it is, the clothes rack. Put it here. What I can do is insert a link to my lesson on clothes, for example, or a Quizlet on vocabulary and clothes, or I don't know, a video on YouTube, a PowerPoint presentation, anything. So yeah, I thought it was really nice. When I found that online, I was super excited, and I just wanted to share it with you because yeah, I think it's a really nice idea. So I will send to you all the resources if you're interested, and I hope you're all well, that you're doing okay, and that you're healthy, and I wish you the best. And that's it. Bye bye.